Easter weekend is soon upon us, so make sure you get all this information, how you can get involved. On Friday, in the middle of the town, Bilston town, we have got the Churches Together event where churches are going to come together to worship God and declare what He's done as outreach. And then on the evening at 7 p.m, we've got our communion service where we reflect on what Jesus did at the cross. And then fast forward to Sunday, we're going to have our two services, our Resurrection Sunday services, where we're going to have an exclusive performance from the Kingdom Kids Dance Group. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure you get involved with what we've got going on to really celebrate what Jesus has done for us all.
You are strong.
On the last Wednesday of this month, on the 30th of April, we're going to have Naomi Murphy joining us from Bedworth Church for our Leadership Development Night. So if you are a leader, an aspiring leader, or have anything to do with leadership, then you need to be at this event. Come along where you can get empowered and encouraged on how to lead well where you are.
Hey men, our next event is coming up for the Courageous Men. Yes, it's going to be a foot golf experience at Hackney Green Golf Course, and we'd love you to join us on Saturday the 17th of May. It's going to be £10 and we're going to have a brilliant time together. So if you're interested in that, then please hop onto our website or onto Church Suite and book in for that as soon as possible.
I'm not
Our kids and youth activities that happen usually on a Friday night are taking a break now until we come back on the 2nd of May. So have a great Easter break. Don't forget to join us this Wednesday for our release series where we'll be looking over the recent Mission Local trip that we did over the weekend. We'll be hearing all the testimonies from that night, so you don't want to miss out on hearing what God has done. And we'll be starting our new Easter series, Through Their Eyes. So have a great week, guys, and we'll see you there.